Hello viewers, you are watching My Success 26, where you get finance related job updates along with that finance related subject domain knowledge. So in this video we see concatenate formula. In the previous video we already see the use of concatenate, but in this video we see slightly change thing in the use of concatenate formula. Okay, we had seen in the last video how to merge two cells in single cell by using concatenate formula. In this video we are doing the same thing, but the slight change. The change is that between two words we are adding space between them. Okay, we can add anything between them, but our condition is that in this case we are adding a space. So how we do this? For this we use the formula concatenate. So write the formula, select the cell and enter comma, then double inverted comma, then space, because we are adding wanted to add space, then again double inverted comma, then comma again, and the second cell, then close the bracket and press the enter button. You get the cell is merged, and between two words there is a space. And if you want to apply the formula for whole the data, simply drag the formula and the formula is applied to the whole cell. Okay, simple. And next video we will see any more interesting things. So subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. Thank you.